Grandpa, Grandpa, Uncle, Nipa is fine now. She's better. The doctor has given her a tranquilizer. Sandy has taken her to Uncle's home in the ambulance. Rudra has arranged for it all. Let her rest for a couple of days and she'll be absolutely fine.
First tell us this, who was she with in the guest house?
Siddharth, don't remain silent. Speak out. The daughter of our family has done something so outrageous. We are ashamed.
We do not have words to say to Shushmita. The wedding was happening among relatives. I'm feeling so scared.
I just don't understand what to say, Grandma. Nipa wasn't in a condition to give any kind of statement, Uncle. Besides, she was so scared that I couldn't force her. She was with Aditya Agarwal.
What did you say? Aditya Agarwal?
No! This is not possible. This is not at all possible. How could my daughter Nipa do this? Aditya Agarwal? What are you saying, Siddharth? We never came to know anything about all this.
Oh, really, Sulata? You never came to know about anything? Aditya Agarwal had gifted an expensive perfume to your daughter. Didn't you know that? And when Sri threw it away, your daughter became angry and left the house. You forgot all that. And then you got angry at Sri. You forgot that too.
Ammu, stop it now. There are guests outside. Stop discussing all that now.
Uncle, I was saying, Rudra hasn't registered a case yet. The matter will become public and the media will also get involved. And most importantly, the Agarwals aren't the ones to give up easily. That means a court case. But still, if you all want
Not at all. No. There's no need of more ordeal for both families. I can't take this anymore. I just can't.
No.
By the way, why are so many people still waiting outside? Just ask them to eat and leave from here. Everyone's too stressed. What's happening, Grandpa? Why is Shri all dressed up?
Siddharth, I want to marry my son Ratul off to your sister Shri. Do you have an objection?
What do you mean? What are you saying, Aunt? I can't understand anything.
Siddharth, she has herself agreed to this wedding. In order to save the honor of both families, she has...
Come here, Sri. Come. You know, you have saved our family's reputation, Shri. You and your brother Sid have saved our family from a huge insult. You have saved the reputation of the whole family.
Grandpa, what nonsense is this? What's happening? Does a wedding happen in this manner? At least I don't know. I don't even believe in the concept of marriage, but you all do believe. Ratul was supposed to get married to someone. For some reason, she couldn't marry, so can the other sister be made to sit on the wedding seat in her place? As far as I know, Shri is focused on her career. She wants to pursue her studies. Why are you doing this, Shri? Why? Grandpa, your eldest son always has so much to say about everything. Why is he allowing her daughter to get married in this manner?
Please, Siddharth. Dad hasn't asked me to do anything. This is completely my own decision.
Shri, have you thought things through, Shri? I really didn't want to marry you off in this manner, Shri.
I know how much you love me, Dad. I also know that Uncle Amaresh also loves me dearly. But I won't be able to explain what Nipa is to me. Today, because of Nipa's childishness, the honor of both families has been tarnished. Being the elder cousin, if I can save the honor of the families by getting married, then shouldn't I do that? When Brother Som had backed out of the wedding, at that time I had rushed to Brother Siddharth. I had insisted that you should marry Mithai to protect the honor of this family and save Grandpa's life.
Look, Shri, please don't say all this. I'm telling you repeatedly that I don't believe in the concept of marriage. So, you are getting married and I getting married are not the same. Don't mix it up. And you are so good at studies. You're focused on your career. Why are you sacrificing it all in order to get married? Grandma, stop her from doing this, please. What is she doing?
Siddhartha, whatever you are saying as an elder brother is absolutely right. I can promise you one thing from my side. After getting married, Shri can make her career according to her choice. We won't have any objection, believe me. I will treat your sister with high regards. I will make sure that her respect is never compromised.
Tell me the truth, Shri. Are you agreeing to this marriage willingly?
Aunt Upa. Sister Shritama is only concerned about the reputation of families. But will Ratul be able to accept this marriage? Or is he also doing this to save the prestige of both families? Tell me, please. Why are you silent? Say something. Why are you silent? Sister Shritama, why are you silent? Please speak up. Sister Nanda, actually, they've asked Ratul to come to the wedding venue.
Let's go, Ratul.
This is not right, brother. Please stop this wedding. Mom doesn't know what she's doing out of anger. Nanda, at least you say something. Mithai, you always reason with everyone so easily. Why aren't you saying anything right now?
What will I say? What can I say, Ratul? I repeatedly told Sister Shritama to think about her interest. I asked her to think about herself first. But Sister Shritama chose the families above herself. This is the nature of women. Or else that day, grandfather's grandson had asked me to marry him. I couldn't think of anything else. Other than both families, I was worried about my mom. I was worried about uncle's reputation in Jonoy. I was concerned about grandfather, Aunt Opa, grandmother, Uncle Amrish. I was just concerned about their prestige. This was all that was going on in my head at that time. And today, the same thought is going on in Sister Shritama's head.
Rajiv, I don't know what exactly is happening here. But she's agreeing for this marriage. Ratul, are you ready? Sid Lukai.
Yes, Siddharth. He is ready.
But brother,
Ratul, let's go. Don't delay anymore. Mom has spoken to father as well.
Nanda, you please try and understand.
Ratul, Sri has taken such an important decision only at mom's request without thinking about herself. You two shouldn't think much.
Brother Ratul, can I say something? We plan a lot of things in life, but Lord changes it all. We don't have any control over the wishes of Lord. Or else, how could this express train enter the life of a grandfather's angry grandson? Brother Rutul, Lord has already chosen Shritama's sister for you. What can you do about it? I I will go to Sister Shritama now. Please come along. We plan a lot of things in life, but Lord changes it all. Look at this. How could this express train enter the life of a grandfather's angry grandson?
Rajiv, please come here. Join me in lifting the wooden seat. Siddharth, please come. Come. Mithai, please get Shri downstairs.
Aunt Appa, why do I need a wooden seat? I can walk down to the venue.
Sister Shritama, how can you say that? The bride always reaches the wedding venue sitting on a wooden seat. Her brothers lift her up seated on the wooden seat with much delight. Isn't it right?
Siddharth, come here, please. Amrish, I think we need to look for someone else.
Aunt, are these rituals too important?
Siddharth, why do you think this is not important? Look, if my daughter hadn't done that, then you all would have lifted her happily and carried her to the venue on the same wooden seat. Shri never asked for anything. Her wedding is happening under strange circumstances and I have some certain responsibilities.
Mithai,
Yes.
Please ask Uncle Amarish not to force Siddharth. I will walk down to the venue.
Aunt Opa, the sister is going to the wedding venue. Will the brother still stand far away? If the wedding is happening, then all the rituals should be followed, right?
Mithai, let it be. Can't you see that everyone is in somber mood? Rajiv, please ask Samresh not to force Siddharth. Siddharth is probably not able to accept that Shri is getting married in this manner.
But he has to accept it someday. And Mithai said something right a while ago. The Lord has chosen the right person for everyone. And what's the point of being so sad? Yes, I agree. What was supposed to happen didn't happen. But who can say that whatever is happening isn't happening for the good?
Please explain this to grandfather's angry grandson. Just look. Look how he's standing there with a bitter expression on his face. Isn't it? Oh my, no, I didn't say anything. Antupa, please blow the coin. Sister Shrutama, please sit down on the wooden seat.
What are you looking at? Siddharth has lifted Sri's wedding seat. This is not an illusion.
Shri! What are you doing? Be careful. What will happen if you fall down? You know, this is the reason why I don't like the concept of carrying the bride.
Siddharth? Do you also care so much about me? I never realized it before.